Hi you guys, here's my homemade DIY mouthwash. So I have the ingredients, the stevia, and I have my essential oils, and I have my calcium carbonate. So I'm gonna start out, I already have my water and I put a pinch of pink Himalayan salt in the water already. I'm gonna take my peppermint oil and actually add in 10 drops. I know it's gonna look like 5 right here, but I actually went back and I added 5 more for a total of 10 drops of peppermint oil. I added 5 drops of tea tree. And the final oils I have are lemon and spearmint. And so I'm gonna add 3 drops of the lemon, and I'm going to add 3 drops of the spearmint. After I add all the essential oils, I'm going to take my calcium carbonate, which is amazing because you guys, this actually keeps our teeth and bones even stronger. So I'm adding in 1 tablespoon. I have a teaspoon here, so I call myself doing it twice. I think I put a little bit more than a tablespoon, but just call for 1 tablespoon, and then you mix it all together. And that is pretty much it. And I forgot to add the stevia. So I'm going to take 1 tablet of the stevia and add to it. Okay, so here's to a happy mouth. Enjoy.